Abhijit now only searching the book. Okay, Amrita.
Page number 112.
Ma'am, I read, ma'am.
Find number.
Yeah, read. Bhagya, read. Others, wait, mute. Others, mute yourself.
Ma'am, shall I read, ma'am?
Read, Bhagya,
Yes, ma'am. Can I
quickly.
start, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Yeah, page number.
Equals to page number 112, ma'am. Exercise 5.3.
No, I can't hear.
Given A
Page
is
number?
equals to 5. 112, ma'am.
A is
102.
equal to?
A is equals to 5.
Wait, 1 minute. How to do volume?
Yes,
and
ma'am.
checking. Now tell me page number.
Page number
Hello. 112.
Page number
Very good.
112.
Yeah.
Given A is equals to 5, B is equals to 3,
Mm.
AN is equals to 50, find
Yes, then.
N and SN. Find N and SN.
Very good, very good. Now I want the formulas. Okay. What is sigma n formula, Bhagya? Sum of all the positive integers. Forgot. Okay. Abhijit, what is
N
sigma
by
n formula? N
Ma'am,
into n plus 1 by 2.
And into 1 by 2.
Okay. Saida, say Sn formula. Say Sn formula. There are two formulas for Sn. Others mute. Saida is answering. Yes.
both the formulas, ma'am.
Two formulas for Sn. Sum to. First you say one formula.
N by 2 into 2A
N by 2.
into 2A plus
2a plus n minus 1 into d.
D.
N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Very good. Naresh, next formula. Naresh is sleeping. N by 2 into. Okay, Abhijit. What is the next formula? Same for Sn formula. One more formula is there.
S is by
Hello.
2.
Yeah. Umar. Okay. Hello. Yes. Yes, I can't hear. A plus L. Okay. N by 2 into A plus L. L is a last term. L is nothing but AN. Last term is only AN, which will be call it as L also. Remember that, okay? These three formulas you should remember, and we already learned AN formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into T. Can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So these are the formulas you should never forget
Yes,
in
ma'am.
AP. Okay? AN formula, ZN formula, sigma n formula, SN2 formulas. Now, using this, we need to do. Now, last term is 50 is given, ma. So, start with that. So, A plus N minus 1 into D. This answer is 50. Last term. The answer is last term. So, from there, we'll start N. How to find out N? Okay, A is 5. Substitute 5. And we don't know what is N. Just put N minus 1. D is 3. So, substitute, you will get N minus 1 into 3. First, you bring that 5 this side. So 50 minus 5. 50 minus 5 is 45. Then you bring this 3 this side. So divided by 3 is 15. So n minus 1 is n minus 1 is equal to 15. So what is n? N is equal to 15 plus 1. That minus 1 will become 16. Okay. After that, you should do Sn. Sn is as usual formula. Sn is as usual formula. What is Sn formula? Easy formula is n by 2 into A plus L. Since we know what is L, we use the second formula. So 16 by 2, A is the first term. L is the last term. Last term is given in the question is 50. So straight away you put 8 into 55. 8 into 55 is 441.
441.
41. 40. Okay, till this much. Now, fourth sum. Who's going to dictate fourth sum? Fourth sum of
Ma'am,
the
I will
third
do
main.
it.
Abhijit is dictating.
I'll do.
Okay, do.
Amrita, ma'am.
Okay.
How many terms
Amrita
of
will do.
AP?
Okay.
How many
How
terms of
many?
AP?
Fourth, same
9.
third.
Fourth sum,
Wait,
ma'am.
ma, fine. Third main of the third main, fourth sum. Yeah.
Okay, third main, fourth sum. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
A3 is 15. A3 is
Yes.
15. Sin 10 is 125.
Okay, sum to n terms. S10 means sum to n terms. Okay.
Find D and A10.
You need to find common difference here. See that. You need to find common difference and the last term. You need to find out the common difference and the last term. Now, start with this first. AN. AN means third term. So, AN formula it should apply. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So, A3 will be A plus 2D it will become because N minus 1 is 2. A plus 2D is 15. Keep this as a first equation. Okay. From the first thing, what is given, we have written the first equation. Then start with the second equation. That is Sn. Sn means S10. Sn formula will be n by 2. Sn formula will be n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d formula. According to this answer is 125. N is 10. So 10 by 2. 10 by 2 into 2a plus, we don't know what is A, so we'll put A only. We don't know what is D, so we put 9D because N minus 1 is 9, 125. Okay, now see here, 5 into 2A plus 9D is equal to 125. Bring that 5 this side. 2A plus 9D is equal to 125 by 5. What is 125 by 5?
25.
25. So, very good. 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. This is second equation, children. So, now linear equation with two variable, we have to solve. Linear equation with two variable. One is this, another one. So, solve first and second equation to get what is? To get what? To get A and D. To get A and D, we have to solve both. Okay? So, what is the first? We have to solve both. How to solve both? First equation. What is the first equation? Wait, I'll rub this. First equation. What is the first equation? A plus 2D is equal to 15.
15.
What is second equation? Second equation is this. 2A plus
2A.
9D is equal to 25. Now, first equation and second equation should get cancelled. To get cancelled, multiply the first equation into 2, which you studied in 9th standard. Okay? So, what will happen? The first equation will become 2A plus 4D plus 15 to 30. The 2 to be multiplied every term. Okay, don't multiply only to right side. Multiply full equation. Then put the second equation as it is. Don't change the second equation. Now you solve it. While solving, this get cancelled. Okay. Now what you will get here? What you will get?
Minus 5D.
you will get. What you will get here?
5.
Here 30 minus 25, 5.
5.
What is D?
5.
What is D?
Minus 1. Minus 1.
5 by minus 1 equal to minus 1. So D is equal to minus 1. So after that, what you should do? What is my next step?
Substitute D equals minus 1.
Substitute in one
From
equation.
Equations and 5.
Equation 1.
Substitute D is equal to minus 1 in first equation. Okay. First equation is A plus 2D is equal to 15. So A plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 15. Now A minus 2 is equal to 15. A is equal to 15 plus 2, which is equal to 17.
17.
After finding this, now straight away go to last question. What is the question, checker? What is the question? You need to calculate A10. You need to calculate A10 after finding D. After finding D, we found what is D, we found what is A. Straight away we can go to A10. So what is A10? Formula?
A plus 9.
A10. Syed Afra can answer. A plus
9D.
This is Syed Afra. I don't think so.
A plus N.
17 plus 9D. 17 plus 9 into minus 1. So this is together you should do always. Okay. So 17 minus 9. What is 17 minus 9?
8.
8 is the answer. Okay. Like that you have to do every sum. If you want, we will do the last sum. Okay. Now Saida, tell me last sum. Naresh, Abhijit, any one of you. Last sum. Third main, last sum. 10th sum.
Given L is equals to 28.
N is equal
Ma'am, can you teach the
28.
last step
Others you
again, ma'am?
again.
You
I'll
see the
teach
recording
you.
section here.
Yes, Bhagya. See here. See Bhagya. Wait, others mute. A and D we are calculating by linear equation. Linear equation 2 variable. I will be doing linear equation in 2 variable. I'll solve the first and second equation. Okay. After solving, I get what is A, what is D. Straight away, I'll substitute A10 formula. What is AN formula? A plus N minus 1 into D. So I'm substituting A is 17, D is minus 1. When I substitute 9 into D, I should do this first step. Okay, 9 into minus 1 minus 9. So 17 minus 9 is 8. You understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhagya,
Thank
you
you, ma'am.
understood? You go back.
Yes,
Every
ma'am.
sum you please practice 3 sums. Then you 3 times you will understand. Okay, now take the sum. Saida is dictating. Listen. Mute.
L equals to 28.
N is equal to 28.
S is equals to
Next.
144.
L means AN. Which is
L is equal
144.
to 28. S is equals to 144 and there are total 9 terms.
That means there are 9 terms. What is the meaning? The meaning is
Find
N is equal to 9. This meaning is what? N is equal to 9. N is given, N is given, N is given. Listen what all is given. Now what is asked? What is asked? What to find?
Find A.
A.
A means first term. A means first term I should calculate. Okay. Now, the simplest formula we'll use. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Simplest formula. The simplest formula n by 2 into A plus L. This L is the last term. Okay. So n by 2, n is 9. 9 by 2 into A. A only you have to find out. Last term is 28. Okay, this answer is 144. This answer is 144. So A plus 28 is equal to what will happen, Afra? 9 by 2 will become? What will happen to 9 by 2?
2 by 9.
And cross is equal sign.
2 by 9.
2 by 9.
Reciprocal.
Okay.
Reciprocal.
After that, you cancel. 9 ones are 9. 9 16s are
16, ma'am.
144. 16 twos are
16.
so A plus 28 is 32. A is equal to 32 minus 28. Answer is 4. So the answer question is over. Because there, what is asked straight away you find out. That's all. Okay. So now you can easily do third main. So your homework is third main. So I have done 3 sums. You have to do 7 more sums. In third main, 7 sums you should do. Today is date 7. 7 only is important full. So 7 sums homework. Please do the homework. Some are checking. I am very happy. On their own, you are only changing. Some are not doing homework. Please don't neglect this time. God has given every day for us to study well and to come up in our life. Okay. In this pandemic situation, everyone are worried and other things. But if you do our work and we pray to God and we are safe, you use our SMS, sanitizer, mask, social distance. Okay. And we'll be alert. Nothing will happen. God will be with us. God will protect each and every one of us. Okay, let us pray that our class, everyone should be hale and healthy. Okay, thank you, children. 3 sums I taught so that you can